Good morning students. In previous lecture we were discussing chapter number 4 are feathers, friends, birds. And student, we have discussed in this chapter feet and claws. Now student, in this lecture we will discuss next topic is feathers. Okay students, let's start. What is the function of the feathers in birds? Yes student, feathers cover the body of birds. They help the birds to fly, keep the body warm and give them a shape. So how many functions of the feathers? Yes, cover the body, number 1 of the birds, and second, they help birds to fly, keep their body warm and give them a shape. So how many function of the feathers? Yes, 3. And you know, birds have 3 kinds of feathers. What are these? You can see the diagram also. This is the flight feather. Next is down feathers, and next is a body feathers. This is not visible, but in your book this is the visible. Now student, if we talk about this flight feathers, these are strong feathers in the wings and it is found in the tails also. And if we talk about down feathers, they are the soft and that keep a bird's body warm. And body feathers, these feathers cover the body of a bird. You can see this bird also, there is also birds. So these body feathers are found in the body of the bird and cover the body of a bird and give it shape also. So there are the 3 types of the feathers: flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Now student, we will discuss how does a bird fly. Yes student, with the help of its wings. They have a pair of wings. Okay students, so a bird move its wings and lift itself up in the air to fly. So how does a bird fly? Now question is arises. When it flap its wings upward and downward, what happen? What is this? When birds flap its wings upward then downward, so this upward and backward movement is called upstroke. When upward and backward movement is called upstroke. And when the bird flap the wing downward, that is called downstroke. And when the bird has to land, it spread its wings and glides down without flapping its wings too much. Understand what I am saying? When it fly in the sky, it flap its wing upward and downward. And when the bird has to land, it spreads its wings and glides down without flapping its wings too much. And student, almost all birds can fly, but there are some birds also present that cannot be fly. They are called flightless birds. What are these? You know? Yes student, ostrich, kiwi, emu, penguin also. So these birds cannot fly, but even they are birds, and such birds are called flightless birds. Now student, next is our topic is where do birds live? Yes student, you know, everyone know, in the nest. They live in the nest. So birds build nests to lay eggs also and raise their nestling. What do you mean by this word bird? this is the word nestling, because bird build nest to lay egg and raise their nestling. So what is the meaning of this word nestling? Yes student, baby birds, to take care of their baby birds. And once the baby birds are old enough to look after themselves, they leave the nest and never to return. Nest can be small or big, and birds maybe build their nest on the tree tops also, on the ground also, on the roof of the houses also, and in between the leaves also. Tailor bird also here. So birds build nest with the material such as dry leaves, twig, grass, feather, straw, cotton, wool, and even a piece of rag. And you know, there is a smallest bird also are present. You know, smallest bird. Yes student, hummingbird. And this hummingbird egg also very smallest. And you know what is the size of the hummingbird egg? A size of a pea. And you know the largest egg? Yes student, egg of an ostrich. So you can underline this point also. The smallest bird egg is that of the hummingbird, which is size of a pea, and the largest egg is that of an ostrich. Smallest bird egg, hummingbird egg, and it is the size of a pea, and the largest egg is that of an ostrich. Okay students. Now student, I hope you understand. We have discussed feathers. How does a bird fly? In next lecture we will discuss the last topic is nesters of the birds. So first of all, you make your fair notebook and write down there the keyword also upstroke. Today we have discussed upstroke, downstroke, nestling and talons. Okay students, take care, bye.